Hi everybody, I'm Will Koberg with the Jan Richey team of Keller Williams Realty. Every now and then we get that truly special property, and the one I'm about to show you is just that. It is a Georgian style estate on 2.7 acres in West Plano. That is right, just under 3 acres in the heart of Willow Bend. I cannot wait to show you around. Let's go meet Jan and check it out. Let's go take a look.
Well, welcome to 3512 Willow Bend Drive.
This is like your own mini escape in the middle of the city.
It really is.
After you.
The home is your classical Georgian style design, starting with the large front porch and stately white columns. Inside you'll find 5 bedrooms, 5 full baths, 1 half bath, and just over 6,000 square feet of living space. As you enter the home, you are welcomed into the elegant formal living room, which has lots of natural light and a gas fireplace. Just off the formal living room is the executive study. It has beautiful wood details and a coffered ceiling. Now this is a luxury backyard.
Yeah, it really is truly a piece of heaven in the middle of the city where you can't hear anything except nature all around you.
The current owners meticulously designed every aspect of this property. As you can see, it's heavily treed. There are lots of special features like walking paths, stone bridges, and rock waterways. Welcome to your outdoor paradise, Will. What I love about this home are all the outdoor areas you can escape to, starting with this outdoor living area.
No kidding, Jan. I could definitely envision myself relaxing here on the couch, enjoying the fireplace, watching a game, and we don't have to worry about mosquitoes.
Attaboy.
As you can see, both the inside and outside mirror similar design aspects. The stone fireplace is the focal point, flanked by floor-to-ceiling windows, giving you great views of your backyard. Jan, you want to go for a swim? Hey!
You better not push me in either. I love the way the homeowners put this natural stone. It gives it a lagoon feel. It's amazing.
This outdoor summer kitchen is really incredible. You got the stainless steel sink. You got all this area to prep for your meal, warmers, places to store things, and you've got this gorgeous cedar ceiling with fans and plenty of space for the whole family to sit after you're done grilling.
What a place to entertain.
And can we talk about the grills? You've got 2 of them, gas powered, plus a heater, and look at this commercial smoker. I could have some fun out here.
And if you're wanting to escape the Texas heat, the formal dining room is gorgeous and perfect place to host an elegant dinner party. Just off the dining room is the Gourmet Kitchen. I love the white cabinetry and natural looking granite countertops. I love how they designed the property with the tennis courts in back. It's surrounded by trees and lush landscape, which makes it blend into the landscape design very well. One of the coolest things about this property, Will, is it's got a barn. You can have up to 2 horses in this property.
2 horses?
2. Yep.
And throw a party.
Look at it. What a party barn. This has been fun, Will.
It sure has, Jan.
Thank you for taking this home tour with us. If you want any more information about any of our properties or this property, feel free to go to our website, janrichey.com, or give either of us a call. I'm Jan Richey.
And I'm Will Koberg, and we will see you on the next Luxury Home Tour.